We're just going to go ahead and get started. These are the flyers that I made for the United States versus Kenya. Just so you know, the reason why I chose the color red for the westernized culture is because it represents love. The poster is supposed to emphasize the passion the organization has for all races. I chose the color red to express the communication of love for the U.S. For Kenya, I have the color green, which is chosen to highlight the corruption that racial discrimination does against us. So it's basically pulling us apart, and I thought that would be appropriate. Also, you can see that the lines for each poster, I enhanced the break between each one so they kind of like stood out the picture, and then we had this, we are all the same. However, the poster is simple enough that I was able to use bold letters and different italics to break the poster apart. I did use a line between the balancer, which I said for the picture break. Balancing. So you're able to pick apart details like the balancer that is equaling the words love and equality. The picture shows different races coming together arm by arm. The quote, "We are the same. This is for the United States," communicates the stand against racial discrimination and highlights the color. That color doesn't matter. Kenya, I chose the same words but in Kenya language. So the picture represents children holding up their hands of different colors, which expresses the message of colors are all the same. So there you have their culture and the children showing their hands of different colors. The contrast. The bold and different, for US, the bold and different color words brings out the messages in the poster. Kenya, again, different lettering background bringing out the message in the poster. Also, the balancer is a different shade of design that helps bring out the item. So as you can see, an overall look, I took a balancer, I put love and equality and equaled them to each other. For each poster, I do have their logo, which we'll go over later on in a different video, but this is the poster that would represent our campaign against racial prejudice. So yeah, other than that, I think I'm going to end this video right here. Thank you for listening.